Hi guys, today I'll be telling you about compound interest and the power of compound. So compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum of loan or deposits, or in other words, interest on interest. It is a result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. For example, if we have 100 rupees as a principal amount and the rate of interest is 2%, so for 3 months if we have to calculate, so for the first month the rate of interest will be 2 rupees and the principal will now comes to 102 rupees. Rate of interest will be added to the principal amount, which is 100, and it will comes to 102. And for the second month, interest will be calculated on 102 rupees rather 100 rupees. So the principal amount is also increasing and the interest is also increasing as the month will increase. And for the second month, it will come interest amount will come to 2.02. So the total will comes to 104.04. And for the third month, principal amount will be 104.04 and the interest will calculated on 104.04. That will be 2.08. So for the third month, principals come to 106.12. So that's how compound interest is calculated and is seen. So the power of compound, I'll tell you, is there is a story behind that. Once there was a king and a very clever mathematician. One day the king asked the mathematician, "What do you want from me?" As he always help him to in his work. So, "I promise I will give it to you." So the mathematician said, "I want you to keep one piece of grain of rice on a 1 square of chess and double it for all the boxes of the square of the chess." So the king said, "Bas itna hi chahiye? Okay, definitely I'll give you." So he keep 1 grain of rice on the 1 square of chess. On the second he keep 2 grain of rice. On third he keep 4 grain of rice. On fourth he keep 8 grain of rice. And by the time he come to the 10th square, he kept 512 grain of rice. And on 20th square he have to keep 5,24,288 grain of rice. And when he comes to the halfway on the 32nd square, he have to keep over 214 crores of grains. And once he completed all the chess, he have ended up given more than lakhs crore of that rice grain. So it's all begin with only a 1 grain of rice. So this is what a power of compound is. And the knowledge, the learning which we get from compound is make that small things matter. Small things always leads us to big things. So you should always make some small goals. Think why you want to achieve those goals and make some small 2-3 habits in your life to achieve that goals. So be consistent in making all these habits. You will be definitely get successful. Like we are making videos from last 15 days. So from that days, if we see, we have done more than 100 of topics. So we have compound, if we'll see the total duration and the time, so we have completed more than 100 of topics. So this is the power of compound, that you have to start doing initially with the small things and you will definitely achieve the bigger things at the end. And the person who succeed or who achieve big in life, they have good small habits which makes them bigger. So this is all what we learned from the compound. Thank you.